Hello guys, here I am with a video for you. First of all, I wanted to show you how this sound starts as soon as I open the door. And the car has been in the garage for the past 24 hours, so there are no batteries to cool down. The AC is off. So I'm gonna open the door now and the sounds will start. There we go. Well, shut down the music. You see? It's coming from the front. And now I'm going to open it. So I'm going to show you where it's coming from exactly. Okay, I have opened the front and removed the hood so I could access the parts inside. I can say right away that it's not the heat pump. The heat pump is right here and the sound is coming on the other side. If I move on the left side, you see right under this vent there is like a sort of fan or something running right there. Okay. Oh my gosh, let me see if I can. Okay, right there. It's coming from there. It sounds like a motor of some sort or a pump or something. I have no idea. So that's the part that makes this noise. And so it's right, if I can show you from up, is right under this big vent on the left side, right there. So if you have any ideas, let me know. Otherwise, I'm just waiting for Tuesday. All right, thank you.